Welcome again to DP Tuner TV. Just going to show this is the beta cei-hub I've got here for testing. I've got F5, F6 chip connection, F8 connection, Delta Force connection, and SCT chip connection all use the same cable, and then the TS chip connection. Here we've got two inputs for two K-type EGT probes, and then here's all of our 0 to 5 volt analog inputs. Going to show you how to configure the chip switching. Okay, now let's go into the chip selection. Basically what you do is we'll exit here, go to Setup, Devices, Parameters, and we've got the DP Tuner cei-hub configured as one of the parameters, and then you've got the chip type. Right now this is just a value you can enter. In the future there'll be selections for F5 and F6 DP Tuner chip, MOTS F8, SCT chip, Delta Force chip, and then TS 6 position chip. And then that'll change your menu options here. But what you do is you just select whichever option here, change. You can key in any description you want for each selection, save it. I'm just going to cancel here. I've got a few of them defined, and you can see here I got this configured for the F5 and F6, so we got 0 through 15. And then you get into your analog configuration channels. So you've got all of those where you can configure what they are and then the formulas. So let's just go into one here, change. So you give it a name, the units, decimal places, the scale, the offset, the low and high range. So you can set all that up for all of your 0 to 5 volt analog inputs. Cancel out of here, exit there, go back to gauges. I've already defined it up here to this PID. So to switch between them, all you do is select position number. You're going to do an action. It'll give you your list. You can scroll through. I've only keyed in the names for certain ones. And then you just select the tune, press select, and continue. And then it'll say tune updated. And while you're there, you can either exit back, or you can go back to other, and select back, select, continue. And now you're back in, for example, position 0, which I have as stock. So if you accidentally press the wrong one, it'll say tune already selected, so that way you know you accidentally hit the wrong tune. You're actually already in that tune. You go to other, say tune 5, which there's nothing defined. When you exit here, it'll just say 5 for the position number. So it's all switch on the fly. Let me exit here. Go back to gauges, go to position, do an action. Let's go back to the stock tune, select, continue, and then we'll show how to switch between. Alright, so we got the vehicle running. Going to switch between tunes. Go to other, and tune 1, select, which all I have on here is actually high idle tunes. Continue, you hear the idle change, go to other, tune 4, select, continue, you hear the idle change, back to other, stop. Real simple, and it works the same way on the F8 and the TS chips and all. So that's a good beta preview of the new hub. Thank you, and stay tuned.